In this video, we are going to see how you can delete the AIRPM chat prompts extension in ChatGPT. So there are two ways of deleting or disabling it. One is the permanent way and one is the temporary way. So either of them might be suitable for you. So without wasting any time, let's get started with this video. So as you can see here, guys, I am using the AIRPM chat GPT prompts. So it's a very effective tool, but let's say that you want to just see some simple responses, and let's say that now you don't want to use this AIRPM anymore. So what you can do is just go to the puzzle sign right here. I'm using Brave browser, but the options will be same for pretty much every browser. So just go here and you will find the extensions of AIRPM ChatGPT here. You might find it on the top or on the bottom of this list depending on the extensions you have installed in total. So what you can do is just click on these three dashes right here and click on remove from Brave browser. Now if you don't find this extension right here, what you can do is just click on these three dashes right here on the corner and just go here and go to extensions, and here you will see all the details. Now the best part is in this area you have the option to either disable it temporarily from here directly, and just let's say we reload it and then we have the simple version. So but if you want to delete it permanently, you can just click on remove and it will be completely removed from your extensions. So that's how you do it. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, hit the like button and comment down below, and I'll see you in the next one.